Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the circumventricular organs. Circumventricular organs is nothing but it is one of the CVO, and the following are the circumventricular organs, or it is also known as the area of divide of the blood-brain barrier, divide of the BBB, blood-brain barrier. So this includes the pineal body is present, the neurohypophysis, then comes the organ vasculosum of the lamina terminalis, it is a OVLT. Then comes the medium eminence, that is nothing but the hypothalamus. Then comes the subcommissural organ, the subfornical organ, then also the area postrema. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.